Other funnel steps. Hi there, this is Brittany with the ClickFunnels training team. In this video, we will be going over the Other Funnel Steps section found underneath the funnel steps in the funnel editor. You may have seen this drop-down menu appear underneath the funnel steps on some of your funnels, but you may not have known why it appeared or what purpose it serves. By the end of this video, you should be able to answer the following questions. What are the other funnel steps? Where are the other funnel steps located? How do I place a page on other funnel steps? What type of pages are commonly found or placed under other funnel steps? How can I access the pages located on the other funnel steps? And what options do I have for steps located under other funnel steps? Now, prior to getting started, in order to follow along, you're going to need an active ClickFunnels account and a funnel that's been created or shared into that account. Other funnel steps is the name of this area within your funnel located below your funnel flow. The funnel flow is the sequence of funnel steps, or in other words, the path that you expect your funnel visitors to follow. So for this funnel flow, I expect my visitors to be led to every single one of these pages as part of the complete flow. The Other Funnel Steps area will show a list of all steps that are not part of your funnel flow, but may be added later. Any steps that you clone or remove from the funnel, as well as the thank you page that's automatically created when adding a product, will be placed here by default. We'll go over those in a moment. Now, as we've shown you before, to access the pages located on the Other Funnel Steps list, you'll just need to click on the drop-down menu where it says Select Step to View. Now, the main purpose of the Other Funnel Steps section is to place pages that you don't want your customers to access via the funnel flow or funnel step sequence. Let's go over what kind of pages or steps those would be. First of all, this area is going to be useful as a place to put any funnel steps that are still being worked on and are not ready for your customers to visit. When adding a new step to your funnel, if you would prefer, you can place it on the other funnel steps from the start, instead of the funnel flow. So in order to do so, you're going to come down here and click Add New Step, and then after typing in the name of the funnel step as well as the path, you're going to come over here and toggle this button that says Show in Funnel to No, and that will keep the funnel from appearing in the funnel flow and will send it directly to the other funnel steps. Also, sometimes you may want to remove a funnel step temporarily, but not delete it entirely from the funnel. So what we can do, say we want to move this webinar funnel step into the other funnel steps area. We're going to click on Remove from Funnel. And you can see it's disappeared from the flow, but now it's appeared right here in the other funnel steps area. Now the same thing will happen when cloning a funnel step. So say we wanted to clone this funnel step, we'll come here, click Clone Funnel Step, and you'll be able to see that the funnel step is still here and it has also appeared in the other funnel steps area. Now, some other types of funnel steps that would be helpful to place in the other funnel steps area are miscellaneous steps. So that would include privacy policy pages, 404 error pages, disclaimers, About Us pages, any pages that you would like your customer to access but are not required steps as part of the funnel step flow. Now, for accounts like the basic plan that have a limit to how many pages or funnels can be on the account, it's important to remember that each funnel step on the Other Funnel Steps section does count towards that limit. The only time it wouldn't count is pages like this where a template has not been selected. This does not count towards the page total. Also, it's important to note that when you're creating a new product for your funnel, you go through all these steps. After you've set that all up, a thank you page will automatically populate in the other funnel steps for you to use if you would like. Now, if you would like any more information on the processes that we've just gone over, like how to remove a funnel step, cloning a funnel, creating a product, please consult the links to the other articles that we've included below. So lastly, we'll go over what you can do with a funnel step currently residing in the Other Funnel Steps menu. And you'll notice that really anything that you can do with a funnel step that's already in the funnel step flow is something you can do with a funnel in the Other Funnel Steps area. So once you've gone over here and you've selected the page you want to see, it'll come up here and you can choose to add it to your funnel. If you do that, it will add it as the last step, but you can go ahead and move it around wherever you would like it to be. You can also choose to clone this funnel step like we showed before, so it will appear in the flow as well as the other funnel steps area. If you'd like, you're also able to delete this funnel step. It's important to remember that removing the funnel step will send it to other funnel steps, but deleting the funnel steps will send it to the archived funnel steps. And when you archive a funnel, those funnels in that section will eventually be deleted. Whereas with the other funnel steps, those will not be deleted. Alright, that's it for this overview of other funnel steps. Thanks for watching.